Oh man, it was so cold the other day, but now it's not that bad. You know, since today's like Thursday. Man, if my boss ever caught me Snapchatting while I was working. Woo! No more whistle while you work like Snow White and the Seven Dwarves. Now you Snapchat while you work. That's just what you do all day. Like Happy says to Grumpy, "Hey, why aren't you whistling while you're working?" Grumpy says, "I don't wanna. I'm Snapchatting. Leave me alone." Come on. Any day now, and we're off. Woo! Oh shit! Close the fucking door. Let the goddamn cat ass in. Keep this to myself and never let you go. In love with you, baby. Change the radio voice. Time to go for a run after that Mickey D's. I'm such a badass. See, some people think cars are dumb. Well, there's more to cars than you think. See, you can spin things. And when you get cold, you can put your cheek to metal. And just, I don't know, it just feels good. You know, all those days that you've always wanted to just limbo.